This is the Learning Objectives for Module 8 by Dr. Bev Knox. This is a continuation of learning and cognitive theories. We will review Rotter and Mischel's cognitive social learning theory and Kelly's psychology of personal constructs. Mischel's social learning theory offers a cognitive social perspective on personality, challenging the traditional view that behavior can be predicted from a few generalized traits. Mischel argues that behavior is shaped by a dynamic interaction between situational and cognitive variables, emphasizing that understanding individual behavior requires considering both the context and the cognitive processes at play. Central to this theory are cognitive person variables, which represent stable individual differences in how people process information and respond to their environments. Both Rotter and Mischel believe that cognitive factors, more than immediate reinforcements, determine how people will react to environmental forces. Each suggests that our expectations of future events are major determinants of performance. George Kelly was an American psychologist who developed personal construct theory, PCT, also known as personal construct psychology. This theory suggests that each person has their own mental framework from which they see the world. People use these constructs, or schemas, to interpret information and experiences. Commonly referred to as the founder of cognitive clinical psychology, Kelly was influential in the early development of cognitive psychology.